0.0001 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8. To find out the multiplication table of 2, just add to the previous step. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Look, 2 goes into 0 how many times? 0 times. 0 times 2, 0. If you subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this 0. Before this 0, there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the question directly. 2 goes into this 0 how many times? 0 times. 0 times 2, again 0. Subtract 0. Bring down this 0. 2 goes into this 0 how many times? 0 times. 0 times 2, 0. Subtract 0. Bring down this 0. 2 goes into this 0 how many times? 0 times. 0 times 2, 0. If you subtract 0, bring down this 1. 2 goes into 1 how many times? As 1 is less than 2, so 0 times. 0 times 2, 0. Subtract 1. Okay, since this is a decimal number, so you can add tailing 0. So I have added here 1 tailing 0. You can add more according to your need. Bring down this 0, so you are getting 10. 2 goes into 10 how many times? Look, 5 times 10. Write 5. 5 times 2, 10. If you subtract, you are getting 0. That is, your answer is 0.00005.